have is we have an adult and a child sitting on the diversion divider for the channel here. We have a good shot at getting them out.
The key thing here is to pull these people out before they get washed to the other side of the bridge, because there's a filtration system on the other side that would cut them into pieces if they got pulled through it.
We've got a young kid, about 3 or 4, who's probably hypothermic. Information I have is there were 3 in the water, 1 is out, 1 is stationary. We have 1 unaccounted for at this time.